Some animals are far more dangerous than we think. Here are nature's most lethal predators, ranked from the scariest to the deadliest. And trust me, number 1 will shock you. 10. Polar bear. They may look cute, but they are perfect killing machines. When hungry, they won't hesitate to attack humans. Weighing up to 600 kilograms, a single swipe from their massive paws can be fatal. 9. Komodo dragon, a living descendant of dinosaurs. With its powerful bite and venomous saliva, it slowly takes down its prey. Once bitten, there's no escape. Even a single bite can lead to deadly blood poisoning. 8. Black mamba, the fastest snake on Earth. It can slither at speeds of 20 kilometers per hour and delivers a bite so potent that a human can die within 30 minutes. Its venom shuts down the heart and nervous system in no time. 7. Brazilian wandering spider, the most venomous spider in the world. Its bite can cause paralysis and respiratory failure. And as its name suggests, it doesn't stay in one place. It could be lurking anywhere. 6. Golden poison dart frog. Tiny, but deadly. The toxin on its skin is powerful enough to kill 10 adult humans. Indigenous tribes use its poison to tip their hunting arrows. 5. Great white shark, the ultimate ocean predator. This 6-meter or 20-foot giant can tear a human in half with a single bite. Its sharp senses allow it to detect a single drop of blood from over a kilometer away. Number 4, the African lion, a master hunter that stalks its prey for hours before attacking with lightning speed. With its powerful jaws and razor-sharp claws, it can kill a human in seconds. Number 3, the Nile crocodile, Africa's most fearsome predator. It has the strongest bite force of any animal, dragging its victims underwater and drowning them within moments. Hundreds of people fall victim to crocodile attacks every year. Number 2, the box jellyfish. It may look harmless, but it's the deadliest creature in the ocean. Its tentacles contain venom so powerful that it can kill over 50 people. If you touch it, expect excruciating pain, paralysis, and even cardiac arrest. Number 1, the mosquito, the deadliest creature on Earth. Yes, you heard that right. Mosquitoes are responsible for over 1 million deaths every year. They spread malaria, Zika, and dengue fever, making them the world's most lethal animal. If you love learning about the wild, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.